Start. India is undergoing a consistent increase in temperatures annually. By 2030, an estimated 160 million individuals around the nation may face the risk of experiencing deadly heat waves every year. Approximately 34 million people in India will experience job losses due to reduced productivity caused by heat stress. A study in West Bengal shows that as the temperature increases by 1 degree Celsius, there is a corresponding decrease of approximately 2% in the productivity of female brickmaking workers. India is the country that experiences the most impact from heat stress. In 1995, it lost 4.3% of its working hours, which is anticipated to increase to 5.8% by 2030. In addition, India is expected to experience a significant decline in full time employment by 2030 as a result of heat stress, which can be attributed to its large population. Further, migrant workers often work in hazardous and physically demanding jobs, primarily in the informal economy. They are particularly vulnerable to the risks posed by climate change as they usually lack occupational safety and health protections, essential services, and infrastructure. Informal workers may continue working despite the risk to their health from extreme climate events due to financial constraints. Thus, there is a need to strengthen adoption and mitigation measures at the global, national, and workplace levels to reduce the detrimental impact of heat stress on workers. There are national guidelines under the title Preparation of Action Plan, Prevention and Management of Heat Wave by the National Disaster Management Authority in collaboration with the Ministry of Home Affairs. These guidelines are designed to protect the Indian workforce from the negative impacts of extreme heat. They are designed to help public officials create heat wave action plans for both urban and rural areas with a focus on the general population. The importance of the following factors is highlighted: providing education to the workers, ensuring proper hydration, managing work schedules, and offering necessary medical facilities. The General Discussion Committee of the International Labour Conference in June 2023 highlighted the urgent need to implement measures to ensure the safety and the health of workers impacted by climate related risks and extreme weather events. This involves tackling the effects on their mental and physical well being and the advocating of secure and conducive working environments. In this regard, it is crucial for all stakeholders, including governments, employers, and workers, to collaborate in implementing measures that prioritize the protection of the most vulnerable individuals. These measures should include the development of sufficient infrastructure and enhanced early warning